Good morning. We are up in Syosset this morning and we're doing cleaning for a new client. He's got a waterfall set up that comes through this big stream, drops into this pond, which he runs year round, which I'll take you over to the other side. Have a very cool bridge. Pond itself is pretty clean. Filter pad system has to get a little cleaning. He's got some fish in it, got some planting, a little bog area going. The upper area has got a really bad case of string algae. It's a bit early for this much string algae. He probably needs an auto doser and some more regular maintenance on it, which we will talk to and suggest with him. I don't see any lighting in this, so we're going to work on getting this part going. I've got my first catch of the day. Say hello to our new mascot for the day. Just finished cleaning this for just the tail end. We actually worked on trying to fix this Waterfalls a bit. It's got some leaking, so we put in some boulders on the edges there and there, mossing in, letting it dry a bit, but the bottom is being cleaned out, drained down. We're gonna start filling this thing back up. Freddie power washed it like a pro. And then we're going to fill this thing and get this running for them. Alright, so can't see it too well, but the Waterfalls back there, there's a small 7x9 pond. We've got a 20-foot stream through here that spills over into this pond right in here. This needs a cleaning, but he's not going to touch it this season. Just do the other parts. And then this cool bridge. So I'll step back, step through the landscape, skin around so you kind of see everything here. This baked iguana. Pool, another small waterfall over here. So we got our one falls here, the next one there, and the big one up top. Let's walk over and take a look at it. Like that, we're finished. Pretty clean compared to how it was. Waterfall is fixed, got a better sheet effect going on it. You can see this whole stream all the way down. Pond area is a little cloudy, but that's just because it's settling in there at the moment. Gotta give it a little time, and this will be all back to normal the way they enjoyed it. All right, we're at the second pond. Oh, I put it up here. So their pump wasn't running very well. So we pulled it out, and sure enough, we noticed it's not running because it had a dead snake hooked up into it. John's gonna take it home, make it for dinner. Give me a kiss, Johnny. Give me a little French. Anthony wanted a snake from the last house. Well, we got one now. This one's a lot smaller than the other one. Yeah. Other one was much cooler colors. Nicer fish in here.
I'm sure he's dead. Looks like he's alive.
So we're gonna empty this guy out and get on with our next thing. So Freddie's getting himself psyched up for power washing. Ricardo's getting the reeds out of here. This is one of those interesting waterfalls. We didn't build, but we'll take care of it, and hopefully at some point switch them over to a nice new one that works efficiently and looks a heck of a lot better. Okay, so we're at the second house. Just finishing cleaning up. The fish are in the holding area. And, too many people on top of each other. This one has not had a very good cleaning in the past. Heavy case of algae in it. We power washed it the best we could. We actually used a little bit of algicide on it. They're gonna need some more on it to kind of get this. But this is one of those scenarios that, you know, someone just stacked up some rocks and built this. So it doesn't filter probably as well as it should. It doesn't have a biofalls anywhere. It just has a skimmer. So we're filling this thing back up, gonna put the fish back in and get on to the next one. And then we're just gonna give these homeowners some recommendations. This one needs some aquatic plants in it, needs some lights, and that's it for the North Shore today. And we are done. This one's clean. It just needs to clear up because the water is so dirty. We did put a percentage of it back in, as we should. But give it the next couple hours, it'll clear up. Algae's out of it as best we can. We actually need to keep them aware they really should do an algicide treatment in it, just because I don't know when this thing is really clean now. We did our best. We pruned back. So that is a walking stick tree. We pruned that back a bit.